my fantastic CEOs, welcome to another epic episode. Whether you're a trading veteran or just starting out, today's show is a must-watch. We're diving into live trading streams by YouTubers. Expect big wins, tough losses, and a ton of emotions. And the most important, you'll gain some priceless insights without risking a dime. Ready to get started? Let's dive in! When I get a choice, I always go for the bad news first, then the good stuff. So, let's kick things off with the lost leaderboard in crypto trading. Better grab your tissues, folks. Landing in 5th place, we've got the user known as Chancey1979. Let's see what he had to go through.
Good thing this chance, good chances think you go green, so, you know, maybe make a nice little chunk along with 1,000 shares. Let's see what happens with this thing. Okay. Come on, just keep on moving. Shit. Come on, man. Well, it's got some support right here, so, you know, maybe it'll hang on to this 16 area, bounce back up. Come on. Oh, shit! Oh, shit, dude! What the fuck? I just lost $1,500. What the fuck? Oh, shit! Oh, no! No!
Man, that's a bummer. I know you're already feeling rough, but let me throw a tip your way. Grab a decent mic before you hit those trades. Hang in there. I'm sure things will look up for you. In 4th place, we've got the YouTuber Patrick Wheeland. He's always seemed like a pro to me, but let's take a closer look.
Wow, there's the drop. Oh, so not getting filled there at 520. Oh, that stinks. Oh, man. Come on now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. Oh, gotta be kidding me now. 480s now. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, my baby Jesus. That 520 entry would have been so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, now it dropped. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh. Thought this was gonna break back above $6 right there and just fail. Look at that fake out. Total fake out. Wow. Oh, I'll try to buy dip here. See if we can't. That was a bad idea. Real bad idea. Terrible idea, actually. Getting halted on the down. Oh my god. Worst case scenario right now. Worst case scenario. Oh. Worst case scenario. Wow.
Totally get it. The market's unpredictable. Hope you made something on the stream to offset those losses, my friend. Better luck next time. In 3rd place, we have Max Santia, who placed multiple out-of-the-money bets on Tesla. Let's take a look at how that went down.
Market open, and we're up. What the f***? Why did it say I'm down 5 grand? No way.
Not just trading, but pure suspense. Tesla sounds like a surefire win, but turns out that's not always the case, unfortunately. In 2nd place, we have trader Mir Barak, who also decided to try his luck with Tesla. Let's see where that got him.
And it's up now, but it's extremely dangerous because it's the first few minutes of the trading session and I don't know which direction Tesla's gonna pick, but as you can see, I'm already up 10 grand and it's looking good. I'm having some trouble here with Tesla. It just failed to move higher and it's getting back to the lows where I should have my stop. I'm getting ready to stop it. I'm already down $14,000. That's very bad. That's very bad. Oh, what a spike down. I do not move out on spikes. Look at that. That's terrible. $27,000 down. You know, the case with Tesla is that it's strong today. I'm looking at the daily. Tesla should move up today, but I'm down 33,000. This is terrible.
Wow, that's a major loss. Hope you didn't bet all your savings. Watch and learn, folks. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And taking the crown as the winner among the losers today is Trader Tom. His nick isn't just for show. This guy's a seasoned pro trader on YouTube. All right, let's dive into his story.
If the Nasdaq begins to trade above 940, we really should be buyers of it, because we got an inside bar here. Edit, here we go. I'm thinking this stop loss might actually be way too tight. I'm in here. Let's see if we got any buyers in this area at all. Oh my god, I'm absolutely being hosed today. Take a miracle not to get stopped out here. Classic. Just went above that bar where I thought we were going to be buyers. Right here. Just went above it. 2-bar reversal, back down again. I got stopped out. Thought, this is it, we're gonna break out again. I read that wrong.
Tough break. This just goes to show that even the pros can slip up. Bet all the newbies out there are feeling a bit better now, and rightly so. Anything can happen. The key is to keep learning, and without a doubt, luck will swing your way too. Now let's switch to something more pleasant. Those who actually made a profit from trading. And in 5th place, we have Patrick Wheeland again. This guy is not ready to throw in the towel, and it seems his persistence was worth it. Now he's trying his luck with Ethereum.
All right, so we're pushing up to that 130 area now. We're looking pretty good overall. I'm looking at some different time frames, different charts here. Look like we should be able to get a push up here into the 30s. It's working out beautifully right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We will hold. Basically, I can move my stop on this trade to the 124 area. Bottom of this candle will be in that 123, 124 area. Right now, we're at $200. We've got 15 Ethereum left. So far, I've locked down 10 Ethereum. So I've sold 10 Ethereum from that area at the 115 area that we bought. All right, so we're pushing up there above 140 now. Looking for that push. We'll see if we get a push up here to the 150s. 46 level multiple times here. So I'm just kind of watching. I'm gonna let my stop just do its thing.
Super happy for you, friend. Persistence and restraint have paid off. This clearly proves that you should never give up, folks. Take note. Moving on to 4th place, we have a trader known as Joel on crypto. He also decided to bet on Ethereum and almost lost everything. However, his conviction turned into a pleasant surprise.
Alright, we have a lot of action right now in the market. The report just came out and I was almost liquidated. We had so much action in the market. That was very scary right now. Oh my god, it was so scary. Guys, look at the stock market dumping like crazy. Oh my god, what is happening? This is so crazy. I was 1% to my liquidation price and we're now dumping like crazy, man. Oh, I was so lucky right there. I have now $775 in my account and I want to take more profit because this is not a good sign. Look at this dump, guys. And goddamn, I was so lucky on this trade. I think it's a good idea to lock in some profit here, and let's do it right now. Boom, there we go. Okay, I just turned $100 to $900 in 1.5 weeks in 3 trades. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
That's what having nerves of steel means. Congrats on the profit, my friend. You've demonstrated what patience and knowing when to walk away can do. If you've got a hamster, don't forget to treat them to something tasty. In 3rd place, we have a YouTuber named Cory Callahan who significantly increased his capital by applying the ABCD pattern. Let's take a look at how he did it.
So here's my trade over on Bybit using 100 times leverage. All right, I have around 917 USDT in this trade. We are hoping for something like this. We have our stop loss down here and then a large breakout to the upside. And that gives us a target of roughly $20,200. So let's roll the time lapse. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so I just got back to my computer, and as you can see, this trade is doing very, very well. Let's check how much we are up. We're beginning to see another push to the upside, which brings us to a total profit of 150%, or around $1,300. A key component of trading is always letting your profits run and cutting your losses quickly, and so far we are currently sitting at a balance of $2,442.
Risky guy, but that's the trading world. Super cool strategy. Hope you get some good rest and come back to trading refreshed and recharged. Congrats! In 2nd place on our luck leaderboard is Coin Traders Daily, who struck gold with a leveraged long trade, earning a hefty sum.
Okay, so we're getting filled up to 20 on this breakout right here. This is a double bottom. I'm going to explain to you the setup. I had my analysis here. This was a double bottom that I saw. We had structured lows right here, maybe shorts down there would be interesting. What we did here interested me on the 30-minute chart. We pulled back from the double bottom and we printed this bullish engulfing candle, but we do have a bit of a problem area before that, so it's not going to be a clean riding. We have this area right here where we've come down and found support twice. So you know, this is a bit of a range to play with. So we just closed this candle, not our favorite candle. So we came up in this area that we predicted was a problem area right here, these wicks, this wick down here, and we did close a bit of a wick and reject this area. All right guys, here we go. We made a new high. Looks like we just hit some stops. We just exploded through here. Beautiful. So let's cancel this conditional order and we're done. Beautiful. $6,163.
Now that's how you ride the market's ups and downs, just like a roller coaster. Though I bet those spikes and dips are way more thrilling. But hey, what do I know? I'm just running in a wheel where the level's always the same. Well, folks, we're nearing the top earner in today's trading episode. Get ready for staggering amounts of money that might have seemed unreal before. Also, have your notebooks ready for notes, because it's time to learn from the best. Everyone ready? Let's dive in. In first place, we have the trader known as CryptoFace. This market wizard somehow wrapped up his trades with profits exceeding 7 figures. It's mind-blowing. I'm sure we'll reach that level someday, but for now, let's check out how the expert does it.
Yeah, world record, biggest profit ever live streamed in a trade that was done in 24 hours or a week long, call it. No, I ain't scared. I mean, it's like I said, like I've been saying all week, it's gonna zig and zag. It goes up, it goes down, but overall, here we go, baby, let's go. I almost put another 1.4 million into this just now. Just the 3-hour momentum wave support was beautiful. Our divergence was coming down, and then boop, we had this first higher high wave. This is when we knew going for the record ain't no joke, man. And then I'll get back in. I probably won't get some rest. I'm gonna try to sleep in this hourly, in this 30-minute when this reverses.
Wow, after such success, you deserve more than just a couple of hours of rest, my friend. Though I definitely wouldn't be able to sleep if I'd made that much money trading. This guy has the steadiest nerves I've ever seen. Super cool. Congratulations. And that wraps it up for today, my great CEOs. I'm sure you found it as intriguing as I did. Keep honing your skills in the world of trading, and maybe one day you'll also make it onto our list of the most successful. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. See you next time, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.